manfo ani ebinom ani age sign say ye kwan ni nti vice president car ni and the convoy no and a car techekesi mu a manfo say it's about 2 hours now they are just stuck and the motorcade mu nyina na timamufo na piano. Anyway, Anlan is set to come out with one of the greatest news ever told in the political history of this country. Shake the political foundation of this country. A lot of issues, conspiracies, because Bilim say he's forming alliance. Bilim say now say the political party, and indeed, it's sending shake in the camp of the NPP, especially Dr. Baubud Baumia.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
When you're worried.
Debbie. We name the history of Ghana.
Yeah.
A shall say free Momo party.
Why non party?
Well, okay. A shall say free NDC. No redeeming party.
Yes.
Emra Swedro declaration.
Okay.
Na Yura Gozitando Momofi said they have been in the trenches with you know the late President Jerry John Rawlings. And unti say Ebasi Obabe Kwa the true cadres no our money in a shasi no all money nipa say omo hwe akire afedie Yura Jerry John Rawlings abura academia akwagofa Yura Professor Mills. Wama obi akra so an contest no and omukwe swedro peja nensa nti ya friend swedi declaration so no na me doba was so many ni nti okwa ono and obi dina de omo man tiase no e form party Irakuzi Katando me hunu ba bia ze party no kra na nkasa ego.
We lost the 2000 election.
No me ba nya botre me ba 2000 you lost because of several reasons, not only
partly.
Several reasons, not only one. The key was the craze for change.
Okay,
that was the major issue. What I say, when we are just remnant issues, you took it to runoff. Maybe again, you're Obera Samoa. Yeah. Sata Monona Frances, no Munina free NDC. New party and Congress baby. Sana or Fonka Games. Nana Kunedu Ajima Rawlings. Look at the mobilization spirit of Nana Kunedu Ajima Rawlings. Nana Kunedu Ajima Rawlings outside NDC. Humpulu crowd here. Okay? Me and Kasami name Tarzan. Dr. Charles Rokubrube, yeah. So also another key figure, Colossus. What is here? Private radio. So we have private radio.
Yeah, in Ghana, the first private radio.
The first man, Dr. Rokubrube. It tells you about the vision about the country. And the radio stations, people don't know how it began. So. So to be very honest with you, Tembiano ye Alan Chief Alan come away be twabontia. A futu back pena medemano. If we say Yera Alan Kojo Martin step out of NPP enclave, the kind why what deeper pack of more.
Okay.
To be very honest with you, a nipa omo drop a pack of phone and nam sense to omo Alan Chimatin in Abubufu. If we say virtually Chief Alan there, CSC, ni godfather or son and sasi, a pejano, a brand and nipa be break right nimino, Papa Kufuor.
Yeah.
Now Papa Kufuor remain an icon, and or sign a godfather and a living legend, not only for MPP, but for the entire country. The number of times that Union NDC if we are called to Papa Kufuor, I'm going to talk. Nana do danko Kufuor do ho. Yenti min kan. Na se papa na tiase. What the home was her party no. Wono ɛna epeja wo party no na oda ho tiase na utua na mo bia en konkoba ne se woda ho wo party no mu a enukure ni nyame anim ni enipa bi bebu boni aye mu boni aye number 1.
I see.
Number 2, and say enye se Papa Kufuor fa wo keke wo oya Ghana ambassador to USA. What do you free her by your Minister for Trade and Industry? The way I was support to war to become a flag bearer for the new Patriotic Party in 2007. Then, fast forward, Nana Danko Kufuor winning no and a contest about 3 times. When winning in 2016, were your minister, cabinet minister, responsible for trade and industry for about 6.5 years. And sana wa step down we be contested this election. And it's a okasa nima wenu nyina boom. Na empany forces will be your papa no how. Na wenu nyina chi. Wenu nyina chi o. Enipa wu e wo party no. A branch be a demonstration and eventually justice or free mo. When chi one for any anto. Now see you are stepping out. Oh free MPP mo. Yeah. And maybe how ya na yam ponsing do wachi. And I'm of the view, say Chief Alan will reflect or better say very deep and sign what take decision say. So all independent too. And now say all former political party. But think very, very deep. Media, the man can say, a nipa one woman a chance ye chasano, a kukudam, or many Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Namsi say. Yeah. Look, me retia, Dr. Richard Anani. And yes, sir, Sabina Hodin Kwon, Nisika.
Sure.
Crime de la crime. No money Alan Martin. Penimfosi. Akokon ntakra na se aboa ntakra no. And the man yekese no.
Na ntakra boni de na fenyi kwatra.
Exactly. Dr. Richard Anani. Enne. Dr. Mudu Bawumia ba na meeting course wo ne office e wo mu nche ya asokwa ya. Ubehu no. Dr. Marcus Boyeboa. Former chairman Parliamentary Committee on Finance. Alan Pillar. And then Mahmoud Bawumia and Edin Sawaso. What about Subi Icon? Isaac Osei. I'm not Isaac Osei. What about Mahmoud Bawumia campaign? What about our friend says to whom former MP? Opariansa. Alan Operation Management. He was in charge.
Yeah.
For 17 years. And now Mahmoud Bawumia and a nam. And the on one case and the pillars are. What form no emrebia a camunina. Nashe. MP for Freddy saying. Ejuso. No any spokesperson. Deputy Minister for Finance. John Kuma. No, Chief Alan spokesperson. What about Maxwell Kofi-Juma? Alan Honda Maxwell Kofi-Juma who insulted another J.A Kufuor. I'm not going to quote him, but the point is that and then we're not see. So let's come to the most recent, even people. Catherine Afeku. Catherine Afeku remains the only person of friends saying, in a friend saying, what me win twice. I'm a new patriotic party. Tepika Nkrumah Zima area. Catherine won it 2008. Lost of friend saying 2012. Went back and took the seat again 2016. When was that this again? Yera Alan Kojocha Machin e kan se onko biemu no. Wo so wada wadwene ho. Wakọ ne constituency, wono amanfo akọ consult na dwen e ne se o meme Johnny Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Tsunami na eba no. on your part of the flow.
Where said Sylvester Tete so.
Sylvester Tete. If say
Alan
Kojoche Martin operations in Greater Accra, he was responsible.
Yeah.
Now all the offshore no operations do produce resource of power as Sly Tete.
Yeah.
Yes, check the votes. It was central, Greater Accra region. Okay, sure. Ayepe, former MP for Ayensuano. One also announced, as to say, what joining Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign. Look, Western Region team, Alan 2024. One more year, and J.A Kufuor, one more year as a group, no man announced to join Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Oh, yes. Yankupon is saying, and some BCC and some Beba and Beko. I am of the view, say, Chief Alan, any decision on Monday, or step out of the New Patriotic Party. No. A dear wanya. Okay? Wo be yesa mana so free mu a eba be ye dimbone e wo MPP mu. Ehwe na edi na chi. Edi ne machi. Edi ne nanan machi. Edi ne nanan kanso an machi. And I am of the view say SSO will think very, very, very deep. Because the decision we are taking out there before because the oil were ramifications for one kasani generation and one kasadomo
I see.
My view is very simple.
Yeah.
Say or any declarations to make her. The man voting in Akoma it's going to be so nice. So obey declare for Mahmoud Bawumia. Now we're joining the teeming number of people are already.
Okay.
Not all money no any two and a moteti any summary. Woman any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a two and a mono. That is the most appropriate decision.
Oh yeah, I bet him.
Anything outside this, I think one here na Nidino and Kwankwan Papa Amano.